Welcome to the chapter Files Management. In this lesson, you will learn about file management. You will learn how to save a document and view all your recent files from the File Explorer. You will learn how to copy, cut, and paste files, and how to select multiple files at the same time. You will also learn how to manage the recycle bin. Finally, you will discover how to create compressing files and how to use them. To start, click the Next button. To save a document, click the File tab on the menu. A drop-down list will appear. Click the option Save As. The Save As pop-up will be displayed. In this pop-up, browse your folders to save your document wherever you want. At the bottom of this window, type the name of the file in the field File Name. Below, you will find the extension of the file that will be created. In our example, .txt. Then click the Save button. The file will be saved. You can see now the name of the file at the top of the application. Windows keeps a complete record of recently opened files or folders under the Recent folder. To see this folder, open the File Explorer. By default, you are on the Quick Access view. In the center of the window, you will find the Recent section. Click on the arrow to display the content. Here you will find all the files you have recently edited. To hide them again, simply click on the arrow again. Practical exercises. Save a document and open it from Recent Files. You're working on a Word file. Start by clicking on the File menu. On the left, click the option Save As to save. Depending on the applications, the option to save a document can be different. On Microsoft applications, you need to click on Browse to choose your location to save. From the pop-up window that appears, you need to select the folder where you plan to save your document. Click. Once you have selected the location, you must name your document. Here, Microsoft Word suggests a name. Click on the File Name field to rename it. Tap CV as the name of this document, and then click on the Save button. Your document is now saved. Click on the button to close the application. As you can see, your document is saved on your desktop. For this exercise, you will open it from the Recent Files section. Click on the File Explorer from the taskbar. On the File Explorer, click on the arrow to display the Recent Files section. You can now see your document that you just saved. Congratulations! You have successfully saved a document and opened it from the Recent Files section. From the File Explorer, you will be able to cut, copy and paste folders and files. Copy and paste allows you to copy, i.e. duplicate, files from their original location and paste them to a new location. This action allows you to clone a file to create a duplicate in another location. Cut and paste allows you to cut, i.e. remove files from their original location to paste them, move them elsewhere. This action allows you to move files from one location to another. To do this, you can either use the buttons available in the menu or use the keyboard combinations, i.e. Ctrl and C to copy, Ctrl and X to cut, and Ctrl and V to paste. Copy and paste a file. Start by clicking on the file you want to copy to select it. Right-click on the file to display the menu and click on the Copy icon to copy it. Locate and right-click the new location. Then select the Paste icon. The file is duplicated, i.e. it is in the new directory and still present in the old location. Start by clicking on the file you want to move to select it. Right-click on the file to display the menu and click on the Cut icon to cut it. Locate and right-click the new location. Then select the Paste icon. The file has been moved. It is only present in the new location. If you want to copy and paste several files, you have the possibility to select several at the same time. To do that, click and hold your left mouse button on the top left portion of where you want to start highlighting. Next, drag the box until the last file or folder is highlighted. Once the files are selected, they can be copied and cut, as seen previously. If the files you want to select are not grouped together, you can click the first file or folder and then press and hold the Control key. While holding Control, click each of the other files or folders you want to select. Once the files or folders are highlighted, right-click one of the highlighted files or folders to view available options to cut, copy, or delete. The Recycle bin is a location where deleted files or folders are temporarily stored. It allows users to recover files that were deleted in Windows. The Recycle bin is on the desktop. You can delete any unwanted files and folders from your computer. To do that, right-click the folder or the file to be deleted and select the Recycle bin icon from the drop-down menu, and the file will be moved to the Recycle bin. You can also select your folder or your file to be deleted and press the Delete key from your keyboard. You can restore deleted files from the Recycle bin. To do that, open the Recycle bin by double-clicking it. Then right-click the file that you want to restore and select the option Restore from the drop-down list. The file will be restored to its original location. You can open the Recycle bin to see all files and folders temporarily deleted. From here, you can empty the Recycle bin or restore all items. If you go to the Recycle bin and delete a file from here, then the file will be permanently deleted from your computer. Practical exercises. Cut and paste and delete a file. To start, right-click on the file CV on the desktop. In the drop-down menu, click on the scissors icon to cut the file. The icon is grayed out, which means that it is cut. Now open the File Explorer. From the File Explorer, open the Documents folder. Open the Personal Files folder. This is where we will paste the file. Using your keyboard, press the Ctrl and V. The file is pasted. You can see that it has disappeared from the desktop. In this folder there is already a file that you do not need anymore. You will delete it. Start by selecting the file CV James Anderson. Now that the file is selected, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard. The file has been deleted. It is temporarily stored in the recycle bin on the desktop. Open. As you can see, the file you deleted is in the recycle bin. Click on Empty Recycle Bin at the top of the window to permanently delete the file. Click Yes on the pop-up window that appears to confirm that you want to permanently delete this file. Congratulations! You have successfully cut and pasted a file into another folder and deleted a file permanently. A compressed file is a sort of archive that contains one or more files that have been reduced in size. Since these files are smaller, they can be stored without taking up much space, or transferred at higher speeds over the Internet. Common compressed file extensions are .zip and .. To compress a file, go to the location where the data you wish to compress is located. Select your files, right-click on them, and select the Compress to Zip File option. Once the zip file is created, you can rename it if you wish. You can open the zip file to see all the files it contains. You may need to extract a zip file in case someone sends a zipped folder. It is as easy as zipping them. Right-click on the zipped file and select Extract All. Select the location where you want the extracted data to be saved and select Extract. Knowledge check. End of the chapter. Well done. You have completed the lesson Files Management. In this lesson, you learned how to save a document and view all your recent files from the File Explorer. You saw how to copy, cut and paste files, and how to select multiple files at the same time. You also learned how to manage the recycle bin. Finally, you discovered how to compress files and how to use them.